Many people in today's busy world try to find ways to automate the auditing of all their transactions done by corporate credit cards. P-Card Auditor, which is part of our demonstration today, will show you how you can automate your audit every cycle 100% of the time. The screen that you see in front of you is the introductory screen that most people see when they sign on after giving their secure password and login information. What it shows is, by department, the total results of the audit conducted for that particular cycle. Many people have department names or unit names. That is all tailored and customized as we set up your account. But it shows total number of transactions that were audited, the dollar amounts, and those items that were flagged using your rules and your parameters in the audit. Some people want to have more information than just looking at a department audit. They want to see things by cardholder. So we have the capability with P-Card Auditor to show you that. The screen you see in front of you shows the audit information done by cardholder. It shows basically the number of items that were posted in the transactions, the number of items that were audited, the items that were flagged in violations, and the dollar amount that's shown. Okay, I've done my audit. What do I do with the information that can make it useful to me and to my management? Well, we've created in P-Card Auditor some reports for you to use. We also offer the capability that many of our clients are interested in making custom reports that are tailored to your needs. So when you have special needs, come to us for that and we'll be happy to create a custom report for you. Today we're going to show 3 of our standard reports, the first being the All Transaction Report. The All Transactions Report gives you in detail, as you see in front of you on the screen, information not only by cost center and cardholder, but also by reference number, transaction date, merchant name, dollar amount that was spent in the transaction, and also gives a summary of what credit limit you've set for that cardholder, along with the transaction limit that you may have set for that cardholder. What you'll see when there's a violation is shown on this particular screen at the bottom in blue, and it's a violation that states the transaction amount in excess of account single transaction limit, so that this cardholder spent more for this single transaction than you had as a rule in your audit. The next report that we're showing you today is the Audit Rule Summary Report. Often people want to see just the bottom line, as most executives do, and that is which rules were violated, how many transactions were violated, and what's the dollar cost to me of that error, or those errors in this case. And what we have in front of you are particularly 4 rules that were violated, the first one being even transaction amounts in increments of $50. We had 2 of the transacted items violated, and they totaled $3,100. So this gives anyone a summary of the actual rule, the number of transactions violated. The monthly statistics report is the one that most executives or top management like to see, because it gives them a summary of the number of transactions that were violated in comparison to the total number of transactions in the audit. For example, in this particular case, there were 3 rules that had violations. So as you total these up and then look at the bottom, we had 79 transactions that were audited in the cycle, 11 of which had rule violations, totaling 13.92% of the total audited items. This is something that gets most executives' attention because they want corrective action to get that 13.9% closer to 0. Thank you for watching our demonstration today on P-Card Auditor. For more information or to sign up today, visit our website at pcardoffice.com.